Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you duck vac review. So you might be wondering, what is the duck vac here and what does it actually do? So the duck vac here, branded on the official site as the horsepower duck vacuum, is a compact cordless handheld vacuum shaped like a rubber duck. Now that's according to the website. Now it's rechargeable, no cords needed during use, and built around a high RPM motor paired with a cyclonic dust separator and a washable filter system. Now it comes with a set of attachments. Now a flexible hose for extended reach, a crevice tool for tight spaces, and a brush for upholstery or delicate surfaces. Now a storage bag is typically included to keep everything together. Now it's marketed for picking up crumbs, pet hair, and small debris like rice or screws across surfaces like carpets, car interiors, furniture, and kitchen counters. Now that's advertised in their website. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, according to them, what you need to do is you want to charge the device fully before first use, and according to the official FAQ list here, a charge time of roughly around 3 to 5 hours. Then attach whichever nozzle or tool fits the job, and the hose for reaching into tight areas, or the crevice tool here for corners, or brush for delicate surfaces, and power it on to start suction. Now, after use, the dustbin empties out for disposal, and the filter is washable. Remove it, rinse under cool water, let it air dry fully, and reinstall once dry. Now, the website recommends rinsing the filter after heavy use and replacing it every few months for consistent suction. Now, on the pricing side here, the standard horsepower duck vacuum is listed at around $39.99 plus a $7.99 shipping and handling on the official site. Now, with a limit of 3 units per order, so a gold edition version with a metallic finish and larger battery is also available through the select retail listings. Now, purchases come with a 30-day return window for a refund of the purchase price, now including shipping and handling here. But that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.